Black Hills National Forest Staff Officer Dave Thome has little trouble finding mountain pine beetles in this timber sale area in the Central Hills.
It's kind of a tedious process here, exploring for bark beetles. They live under the bark and kill the tree by laying their eggs, and then the eggs hatch and crawl across the bark, excavating the wood and cutting off the flow of water and sugars down to the roots.
The larvae overwinter in the tree, producing a chemical in their bodies that acts like antifreeze. Eventually, the larvae grow into winged adults
that will bore out of the tree and fly to other trees and lay eggs. And of course, there's other green trees right around this dead tree that this beetle will fly to.
In the Black Hills, the big flight happens between mid-July and mid-August. The bugs can't fly far, but they do fly in great numbers, essentially attacking and overwhelming a tree's natural defenses. Normally, a pine tree will expel an insect invader by using sticky sap or pitch to push the bug back through the borehole, creating a pitch tube like this.
When an epidemic is, or an outbreak of insects is at a lower level than it currently is, oftentimes trees can successfully pitch out a bark beetle and defend themselves and go on to survive. But there's so many bark beetles in the forest right now that it's very difficult for a tree to pitch out all those beetles.
The insects also carry a fungus that helps kill the tree. The fungus creates a telltale blue stain.
And that stain will eventually work its way in until the majority of the log is stained all the way to the heartwood. So, as you can see down here, this one's a little bit more advanced as it moves all the way in.
The process of killing a tree takes time. A year will pass between the time the insects attack and when the tree's needles turn reddish brown.